Hot chocolate, the ultimate homemade Mexican hot chocolate. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are ditching the powdered packets and making something truly special, authentic Mexican hot chocolate. It's rich, it's spicy, and it's a hug in a mug. Forget everything you know about store-bought hot chocolate. This is a whole different experience. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes this drink so unique. Its history dates back to the ancient Mayans and Aztecs who revered chocolate as a divine gift. They drank it as a frothy, bitter and spicy beverage, often for ceremonial purposes. Our version pays homage to those roots, but with a touch of sweetness and warmth that's perfect for a modern day treat. Now, why make it from scratch? Store-bought mixes are often loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and low-quality cacao. But making it yourself, you control the ingredients. We are talking real, whole spices, and most importantly, high-quality chocolate. And here are the stars of the show. We have 50 grams of good quality dark chocolate aimed for at least 70% cocoa for a deep, complex flavor. 2 tablespoons of organic cacao powder. This is crucial. Invest in a good quality organic brand. It makes a world of difference in the final taste and provides more antioxidants. You will need 1 cinnamon stick for that classic warm spice. A small pinch of dried chili pepper. We are using a pinch of cayenne pepper in this recipe, a pinch of fresh nutmeg. Grating it fresh adds an incredible aroma. Maldon sea salt. A pinch of these flaky crystals will make all the chocolatey flavors pop. Alright, let's brew this magic. I have about 2 cups of whole milk heating up here. You can use any milk you like, including almond or oat milk. As it warms up, I'm going to add the spices and chocolate. I'm dropping in the cinnamon sticks, the chili, and freshly grated nutmeg. Then goes our good quality dark chocolate and that beautiful organic cacao powder. Stir everything together with a whisk or a spatula for a few minutes on a low flame. The aroma in here is incredible right now. And there you have it, a warm, comforting mug of homemade Mexican hot chocolate. I like to garnish mine with a little bit of chocolate and some extra cinnamon, and finally the secret weapon, Maldon sea salt. Just a pinch enhances the chocolate flavor like you wouldn't believe. It's rich, complex, and so much better than anything you can buy. Give this recipe a try and let me know what do you think in the comments below. Do like this video, subscribe my channel and share this recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.